Hi. Welcome to Health Factory. Today we'll brief you on what is Nipah virus. Nipah virus, NIV, infection is a newly emerging disease which can be transmitted to humans from animals. The natural host of the virus are fruit bats. The infection was first identified in 1999 during an outbreak of encephalitis and respiratory illness among pig farmers and people with close contact with pigs in Malaysia and Singapore. Nearly 300 human cases with over 100 deaths were reported in that outbreak. In order to stop it, more than 1 million pigs were euthanized, causing tremendous trade loss for Malaysia. Nipah virus is also top of the list of 10 priority diseases that the WHO has identified as potentials for the next major outbreak. Symptoms of the infection. Symptoms of the infection include fever, headache, drowsiness, respiratory illness, disorientation and mental confusion. These signs and symptoms can progress to coma within 24 to 48 hours. Precautions for infection. Nipah virus infection can be prevented by avoiding exposure to sick pigs and bats in endemic areas and not drinking raw date palm sap. Nipah virus in India. Health officials in the South Indian state of Kerala say 9 people have died in confirmed and suspected cases of the deadly Nipah virus. 25 others have been hospitalized with symptoms of the infection in Kozhikode. Fruit bats are considered to be the natural host of the virus. Health officials said they had found mangoes bitten by bats in a home where 3 people died of the suspected infection. Vaccination. Nipah is an infection which can be transmitted to humans from animals. According to WHO, there is no vaccine currently available for either humans or animals, and NIV-infected patients are currently limited to supportive care. People have also been cautioned that they should not consume fruits that have fallen onto the ground. Follow the precautions and be safe. Thanks for watching.